Hello and welcome. Today I've got this Lyseo from Bürstner and rather nice shape to it, I think. And let's have a look inside anyway. So something like this is going to cost you over 116,000. It's under 7 metre, just under 7 metres, but 232 centimetres wide. 5 sleeping places, well, 4 here. The 5th one is an option. Let's come in. Sleeping place up there. We have got at the back this German layout. So I'll start at the back. Storage all around. So that looks quite good. Now, one part of the storage I notice up here, we've got this bit that's open. And if that's a place to put your telephones and charge them up at night, well, that's okay. Doesn't bother me too much. Something of that nature. Here, show you the storage goes back quite a way, quite deep there. Notice it's up quite a height as well, which is good. We can pull this out here. Well, that's as far as it'll go. And the steps will also pull out. And then you can walk up the steps. You can lock the bottom one in position. There's storage in there, storage in there. I'll push this back because what I want to do is to show you in here, if I can. And there you go. Very long wardrobe. Although, what is better is, I'll put the light on as well. Turn the light on, it's not working. Okay, it could be because the 12 volt isn't on yet. Didn't turn the, that could be my fault. But so if you can't reach all the way in, this comes out. And over here, I like this as well. Pull out, drawer. Great space saving idea. I'm going to come round here because I said I hadn't put the 12 volt on. 12 volt is up here. Let's see if it is on. And we'll put the lights on as well. Is that any better? There we go. That's much better, isn't it? Anyway, so I'll open this back up again, and there you go. There's the light on in here. I'm sure it isn't LED, it just doesn't look like one, and so that's a positive thing. Fuse box in there as well. Right, let's come into the washroom, and doesn't that look nice and bright and large? Yeah, I'll come inside, show you inside. And now this is a false wall here. This bit here can open this up like that. And there's your shower. Thing is, you've got to put the wall across to make the shower. I like this. I usually don't bother with the wall in mine, but then again, mine, all I've got to do is to pull the shower out from here. But even so, that's nice. There was one place when my other vehicle, the false wall, broke, and they said no, it's best not to keep using it because if you keep pushing back, they in turn they break. I don't know what the score is with modern ones, but for someone like myself who's using it, well, in the summer I might be using it several times a day. Okay, maybe in the winter I'm in the shower once or twice, let's say. But anyway, if you're constantly using it, and there's 4 of you in the van, then it will get some wear on it. Right, kitchen. I've got this Thetford fridge here with this big place there for food. We've got 3 burners here. We've got all this storage below. We've got storage there, and here I've got this clever thing. Pull out pantry. Isn't that a good thing? I think here for storage, this is really good. The Bürstner of Hymer group, as is Death Lifts, and it's very similar. I'm gonna have to open this one here. You see why? Because somebody's put some decoration there. I don't think decoration is a good idea actually, and when you've got people coming in and out, such as me, and then they smash them up. But hey, look how deep that is. You can get stacks of stuff in there. Now we've got the bed here. Now I do have a complaint about this bed. Now it's not because the bed is over the driving position. Indeed, I'm going to walk down here. I'm going to turn the thing around. There's me. You see, bang. Okay, I've hit my head now against it, but it's not too bad. That's not my problem with this one. I like the way that it slopes downwards, because often I feel the bed, they get in the way when the bed is over here. And living in a vehicle now with it in, okay, I've sort of got used to the thing being there. But okay, you might want to sleep with the person you're with. You might want to have extra bed up front. So I'm not going to criticise that. Yeah, I'll turn the thing back around. My problem with this, it's electric where electric isn't needed. I appreciate that sometimes you've got a semi-integrated van, you've got the bed up here above the semi-dinette, then yes. But in this one, you know, it's not hard to pull the bed down. Why have the electric? Why over-engineer? And the problem with these things is the keys break. And then you got to get a spare one. The keys are all the same, so they all fit each other. At least so far, that's my experience. But it's a bit of a problem. So I think I don't like over-engineering anything. Anyway, just make that point. Now, anyway, up front. So in this case, we've got the blind across, and pull this back. This connects here magnetically. These have been used for 20 years now. It's a technology that works. There you go, at the front as well. It's great, works really well. Door here. Last year I've changed my mind on doors. Now I want the door integrated here. I didn't want them last year, but I've since changed my mind. Having used it, I think they're really good. You can see here Fiat, and I really like the integration of this black front up here. I like the colour of the chairs. I think there's a lovely contrast there. I think this is a bit of a waste of space. I would have put something, I'm always thinking storage, I don't know, something that opens up here and then you can sort of put your hands out, or something along those lines. I do, of course, appreciate the chairs here, so maybe having a few cups isn't such a bad idea. But on the whole, I think it sort of works. Anyway, good. Table here will move around, and might even be able to demonstrate the table moving around. There you go. And also note, table, it's on a stalk, and you move it around by these things here. But a good large table. I like a large table. Not everybody wants a large table. And the optional bed will go here. But with this, if it's for a child, I think that in many cases up to a child might even fit in there. Good. Right, what else we got? The entrance, you can see you've got, you can see the score on your water, your electricity. You've got your heating. You've got 12 what do you call them, USBs, and plug. I think there's 5 plugs in this. That's a 12-volt plug, and there you go, Bürstner. Okay, right, let's have a walk out. As I come out, I will show you that it's got one of these, a fly net, window in the door, XL door. This is commonly now being put in Death Lifts and Bürstner vans for people who need to have a bit more room to get in. I do like a bin in the door, because you never know where to put the bin. And cups as well. Cups, are they cups? Or little bins, whatever. Now, here we've got this magnificent, large garage. Takes 250 kilos. You've got 230 shore power there. You could connect it to the inverter, have lithium batteries. You can charge your bicycle up if you've got an electric bike. So, summing up, I like the size. It's being under 7 meters. Lots of space inside. Got a double floor. Enormous place there for the gas. This is some bit of kit they've just put in here. That normally wouldn't be there. It's been hidden there for the event. That's the sewage. What do you call it? The cassette. And yeah. There you go. Diesel. AdBlue. Yeah, I think that's got a lot of positive features about it. Very nice vehicle. And there you go. Lyseo i690G, filmed in many years in the past from Bürstner. So this is the most up-to-date version of it. Thanks very much for watching.